Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Sagicor Group Jamaica is riding a wave of growth, reporting a more than doubling of its net profit for the first half of the year. The financial conglomerate recorded a net profit of $8.73 billion, up from $3.98 billion in the same period last year. Earnings per share rose to $2.24, while return on equity climbed to 16% compared to 8% in 2024. Christopher Zaka is president of the company.
This performance was driven by meaningful growth across all major business lines and a rebound in the group's asset portfolio, which recorded unrealized gains compared to the prior year's losses. These results highlight the momentum generated by our strategic investments and position the group for continued growth. We have been very deliberate in our approach to decision-making as we push to capitalize on opportunities that support positive stakeholder returns.
The group's insurance business saw revenue rise by 15%, with both long-term and short-term segments contributing. Long-term insurance net profit more than doubled to $5.45 billion. Short-term insurance posted a net profit of $1.65 billion. Commercial banking performance was also strong, with revenue up 13% and a net profit of $1.64 billion. Looking ahead, Sagicor says it will continue to focus on improving client service while streamlining operations and increasing efficiency across all business lines. The RJR Communications Group is reporting a pre-tax loss of $195 million and an after-tax loss of $180 million for the quarter ended June 30, 2025. That's compared to losses of $183 million and $167 million respectively for the same period last year. Revenues fell by $55 million, mainly from declines in the print and TV cable segments, and other income dropped by $8 million. Despite the decline, the group says cost control efforts are showing results. Operating expenses were cut by $52 million, with both direct and administrative costs reduced, although other operating expenses rose due to strategic investments. Management has begun implementing a new operating model aimed at improving profitability. It includes appointing heads for each business line, streamlining the corporate structure, selling non-core assets, and pursuing joint ventures, such as a signed MOU with the Jamaica Observer to explore shared printing and distribution services. The group is also prioritizing digital transformation, growing its 8 million-strong digital audience, expanding diaspora-targeted products, and diversifying revenue streams through initiatives like the newly launched Gleaner travel site and the upcoming NCB Go Rewards platform. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 302 points today, while the junior market index declined by 38 points. The winners include Sterling Investments, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, MFS Capital Partners, and Palace Amusement. For the losers, we had Jamaica Public Service 7%, Knutsford Express Services, Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, and the Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. 26 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.42. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.13. The pound is going for $217.16, while the euro is selling for an average $191.69. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.